Hello, I hope you're doing great. I know you just finished up your taxes for last tax season and you don't want to talk about taxes again for next year, but now is actually a great time to get a jump start on your 2022 taxes. So as you're finishing up your 2021 tax return, you may be thinking your tax work is done until next spring. But getting a jump start on next year's taxes can help you get organized, save you time and money when April 2023 rolls around. If you wait until closer to the deadline, you may miss out on vital tax savings. Here are a few ways that you can begin working ahead of your 2022 taxes. Check your withholding. If you faced a large tax bill, you'll want to raise your withholding to avoid another hefty bill next year. On the other hand, if you received a large refund, you may want to lower your withholding. While a refund can be a nice surprise, overpaying your taxes over the course of a year is tantamount to an interest-free loan to the government. Consider your taxes today, but also how your taxes are going to be in the future. You can contribute more to a 401k or an IRA, and it will lower your taxes today, but you will pay the taxes in the future. Consider accounts that have taxable earnings, like bank accounts and investment accounts, that you could potentially move to tax-free accounts. Charitable giving. Harvest these deductions to make bigger contributions in one year rather than smaller ones over a few years. Consider an HSA or an FSA with your health insurance plan to pay for medical expenses pre-tax. Dependent care accounts can be a tax-deductible way to pay for child care. And last, get organized for next year's tax return by creating a folder for work-related expenses, donations to charity, medical records, and last year's tax forms. As you begin to work on your tax plan for 2022, consider including a professional into your strategy. I'm happy to recommend you to CPAs to help you. You might want to get started with them now before they get busy for next year. With your financial goals and situation in mind, a team can help you maximize your tax returns and your cash flow.